Exploratory data analysis, commonly known as ADA, is an essential process in data analysis that allows us to understand our datasets through visualizations and summary statistics. The primary goal of ADA is to gather insights into the data before applying any predictive modeling or algorithmic processes. By delving into the patterns, trends, and inherent structures of data, we can uncover significant relationships and draw valuable conclusions that guide our analysis. One of the key components of ADA is data visualization. Visualization techniques such as histograms, scatter plots, box plots, and heat maps enable us to visually interpret the information contained within the data. For example, a histogram can reveal the distribution of a variable, helping us understand its central tendency and variability. On the other hand, scatter plots are effective for identifying correlations between two continuous variables, while box plots summarize the data's spread and highlight potential outliers. Utilizing these tools not only makes complex data more accessible but also enhances our ability to communicate findings to diverse audiences. In addition to visualization, summary statistics play a critical role in ADA. These statistics provide quantitative measures that summarize the main characteristics of the dataset. Typical summary statistics include the mean, median, mode, range, variance, and standard deviation. By calculating these metrics, we can identify trends, central values, and the overall spread of the data. Furthermore, distinguishing between summary statistics for different subsets of data allows us to pinpoint variations that could inform our analysis or raise questions worth exploring further. Another vital aspect of ADA is checking for data quality and integrity. During this exploratory phase, we need to assess the completeness, consistency, and accuracy of our data. Missing values or anomalous entries can significantly skew our insights, making it crucial to identify and handle these issues. Techniques such as data cleaning, imputation, and normalization are often utilized to ensure our dataset is ready for analysis. A robust understanding of data quality directly influences the reliability of our conclusions and the success of subsequent analyses. In conclusion, exploratory data analysis is a foundational step for anyone working with data. It empowers analysts to visualize and summarize data effectively, yielding insights that facilitate informed decision-making. By mastering various visualization techniques and summary statistics, as well as addressing data quality issues, analysts can better comprehend their datasets and lay a solid foundation for any advanced analytical processes. Embracing ADA ultimately enhances our capability to derive meaningful insights and drive impactful outcomes.